Harper, kick your legs, baby. Kick your legs. Kick your legs. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Oh. Yeah. You're a good kicker. Yeah. What? Are you excited? What are you excited about? Are we gonna play today and eat some babas? Maybe we could take a bath. Is it bath time? Almost. You can sit on mommy's lap. Yeah. Harper, I love you. Yeah, I love you.